What's up, my YouTube fam? I'm back. This is Larry with Invest and Build Your Credit and Wealth. So today was a good day in the stock market where the NASDAQ was up 63 points. The Dow was down 44 points and the S&P 500 was up 6 points. But we're coming to you because it was a good day and a couple of stocks. One definitely I've been talking about that's a part of my portfolio. The other one I'm going to add in my portfolio to leverage against the other stock, Riot. But we're going to talk about the first one we're going to talk about is Riot Blockchain, ticker symbol RIOT. And then the next one we're going to talk about is Marathon Patent, ticker symbol MARA. So let's get into Riot. Riot had a really good day, went up to about $11. It was on that resistance right at 11, and it went up above $11 to like $11.17. You know, last week it had dipped all the way down to $8. It's on its rise. But the one indicator that's going on with it is Bitcoin. Bitcoin reached an all-time high today. It went over 20,000 up to $21,000. So as these two stocks we're going to be talking about, I mean, they have a lot to do with how the price of Bitcoin is coming up, is actually rising. So it's great news for these two particular stocks, and they continue to move. Riot was up 5% today, and then Marathon Patent was up 16% today. So both were moving in the upward direction, which is good. Some good news for both of them. Riot Blockchain has just been hovering on that resistance line and then kind of trading sideways. We're just hoping if once it hit that $12, we all think, a lot of people think that it's going to take off to around $15 to $17 as long as Bitcoin continues to move in the upward trajectory, just continue to move up. I'm excited about the stock. I definitely hold a pretty good position in it, and I'm going to keep adding positions in there. And tomorrow I'm definitely going to be adding a few other, not some other positions, but building out some other positions. But there's a couple stocks that I do want to bring, and this Marathon Patent is one that I'm going to add to my portfolio. You know, some of the good things that about Riot blockchain that is definitely has been coming out is that they have launched the 8MW pilot project for higher productivity and lower cost. So that's one of the good things that is going on. This project is being launched with a couple of companies that are leading technology companies, Enigma Digital and then Lancome. So these two companies are coming in. The pilot project has a unique dual focus that is elevated Enigma next generation of immersion technology to increase mining productivity. Addition to evaluating Lancome start response software to reduce energy costs. So these two companies are working side by side to help mining and lower the cost of the mining, which Riot has partnered up with these companies. So Riot is being serious about being a leading in the Bitcoin mining industry. I believe in them. I mean, there has been a lot of negative things about Riot in the past. There's some things, with key leadership, but they weeded out those key leaderships. There's when you're dealing with stocks there, you just have to be careful, but you can't let always a little bit of news drive you to make rash decisions. Right? Put a stop loss in on your stock, see what's going to happen, see if there are going to be some fundamental changes or some things that's going to be happening to continue for this stock to grow. Don't just drop your stock and then not, especially when it's on the trajectory up, because you read something that may make the stock go in a different direction. That's why you put a stop loss in. You know what you can lose. You know what your your volatility is. Ooh, that was a tongue tie. When you're dealing with any stocks, you should have a stop loss in because you don't want to lose but so much, right? So this is just one of those stocks, you're dealing with these young and these spec stocks and these stocks that are young and the emphasis. I mean, I don't mean a young one that's they're just coming into the stock market. I mean, they're young where they're really starting to make a name for themselves and they're really starting to boost up in boost the stock price and going in the right direction. So Riot Blockchain it's been doing well. It's popped up. It was up over 5% today. Year over year, the stock is up 659%. But it's really started in around the middle of November. It's really been just ticking up. Around the 11th, the stock was only $3.60. So it's definitely been on an uptick, and the volume has just been steady, been buying. The volume has just been high. 13 million on December the 1st. It was up. Volume was up to 28 million. On the 4th, it was up to 32 million. The volume continues to increase. So, volume dipped down. It dipped down on the 15th, but, the volume is picked back up today. So, hey, there's some things that you just want to stay on top of when you're dealing with Riot. The thing is, about their debt. Are they bringing on any excessive debt? The main thing about them is profitability. Are they going to be a profitable company? And that's, the research I've done is that's the weakness a lot of people have in Riot. Can they be a profitable company? So that's my thing about Riot. That's why I have a stop loss in there. But it's moving in the right direction. I'm steady seeing positive news come out about the stock and the direction of the company. So I'm going to continue to build out my position, and I'm going to continue to put in, what I can lose if the stock tips, if it dips, or if it just plummets. I'm only going to take so much of a loss because I put them stop loss in there. But I believe that this stock, based on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin continues to go up, more and more people are confident and believing more in Bitcoin. Now you have all these people, especially these big investors that did not believe, were not going to be investing. Now they're starting to invest in Bitcoin and believing in Bitcoin and seeing this digital currency may be something. We may have something that is going to be big in the future, right? So some people are saying this Bitcoin, by the end of next year, could be anywhere from $75,000 to $100,000. So you definitely, have I invested in Bitcoin? No, but am I going to start? Absolutely. I'm getting ready to start getting in it because, the more I'm reading into it, the more I'm understanding it, the more I'm seeing people having more and more confidence, and more that, there are people in hedge funds starting to believe in Bitcoin. You got these big investors believing in Bitcoins. You got, big name millionaires buying Bitcoins. So, it's letting you understand that people are starting to believe more and more into this stock. And everything is based on how Bitcoin, Bitcoin falter and drop none, then the mining is going to drop, because the mining is valued on what the cost of the Bitcoin is. So, it is what it is. But as Bitcoin continue to rise, these mining companies will continue to rise with it. So if Bitcoin gets to 75,000, these mining company stocks are going to be $30 and $40 a share. So are you going to build out your portfolio? That's why I'm building out my portfolio. It could be even more than that. Where could it be if Bitcoin gets up that high and these mining companies are going to benefit off the price of Bitcoin? That's what you have to think of. If you're believing in Bitcoin, You have to believe in the mining of the Bitcoin. And can they be profitable, and where is the stock going to be if Bitcoin continue to rise? So think about that when you're investing, right? Don't look at a little news and then, I've seen people just sold out of Riot. And they're sold in to Marathon, but because a couple of little things have come out about it, right? But the stock continues to rise, and the fundamentals of the company have drastically changed. Nothing has changed with the company to cause for you to pull out. But like they say, you panic, I'm gonna buy. You panic, I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna suck it on up. But I do have stop losses, so I don't take, if something drastically happens, I'm not gonna take a large hit on the stock. I'm gonna get out. But that's how you play the stock market. You have to be smart, but don't panic. A lot of people panic in stocks. They're so afraid of losing something that they make bad decisions. When I first invested, I did the same thing. Jumped out of stock. I jumped out of MP when it was ticker symbol. I think it was FCVA, and I bought in the stock at, I don't know, I bought in the stock at about $10 a share. And then where's the stock at now? Sold 90 shares of the stock. Panic, got out of it. It was trading sideways. I don't know about it. Even though I read everything that say you need to go ahead and stay in the stock. But sometimes you listen to people and then they try to give you the negative side, and you start believing into negatives of a stock instead of let's let this play out a little bit and see what's going on. And look what MP is at today. What, $27 a share. As a matter of fact, I'm going to look at my portfolio because I didn't really check on MP today. But let me go ahead and look and see what MP is trading at today. So now look, MP is up to $29. I sold out of that stock when it was at $11 and something. 90 shares. So that's why I say do not panic. Do not panic when you're with these stocks. Make sure you just pay attention to the fundamentals of the company. Check, how is it trading? Where's the 50-day moving average? Where's the 100-day moving average? Is it moving up? Is it just kind of, what's the 200-day moving average? Where's the resistance? Is it breaking? Is it keep tapping that resistance line? Is it just hitting the support line? Now, is it dipping past the support line? Look at all of that when you look at the stocks and the fundamentals of the company. Any news coming out that changes anything about the company. But be patient. I've learned, that was one of the things I've learned. Be patient. Don't be rushing. Now, but I did get back into MP. Luckily, I got back in at $13, right? But I look back on how many shares I got rid of. So I reduced my profitability by panicking, right? My profitability in the stock would be much higher, So right now, I'm up 119% on the stock. But if I would have kept that, I would have been up over 200 to 300% on the stock. So that's why I'm telling you, don't panic. Pay attention. See what you got to do. Put your stop loss in. Pay attention to see if there are any fundamental changes happen with the company. So, but let's talk about Marathon Patent, which is another Bitcoin mining company. This is another company that was up 16%. And it had jumped up to about $4 in August, and then just dipped back down to about $2, and it was like $2.16. And ever since November, the stock has been up, breaking the resistance line and continue to go up around to about $4. The end of November, it peaked up at about $4.28, took a little dip, and now it's on the rise again. Closing the day after hours, it's at $8.23. So, but it's geared on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is rising. So what's happening? some news, some people are really believing in this company, Marathon Patent. Bitcoin mining with huge upside as crypto prices climb higher. Climb higher. So even in the company believes that it can generate up to 10 million in monthly revenues by the second quarter 2021 at reference price of about 18,000 BTCs as it deploys recent mining rig purchases. So this is another company I'm big on that are doing the proper things and going in the right direction. So 2021 is going to be a big year. The Fed has already said they're not raising interest rates. They steady want to keep the economy moving and money. Now they're talking about putting in a stimulus package because they see that the economy is starting to slow. People are tightening up on their money and they don't want that. So they're already thinking about, not even thinking, they're going to put another stimulus packet together. It is not going to be as hefty as it does the last one, but they still, because they want to keep us, spending and keeping the economy moving. So 2021 is definitely going to be a big year. But I would say my advice, look at the different sectors. Pay attention to the sectors and what sectors. A lot of people think there's going to be a slight shift in what sectors are going to be doing better in 2021. So pay attention to the sectors and how they're doing collectively. So, but I wanted to bring this to you. I think this Marathon Patent is a good stock. Definitely look into it. Do your research on it. If I'm going to invest in, yes, tomorrow I'm going to dump some money in there. I'm definitely going to dump some more money in the Riot. I'm definitely going to dump some more money in MP Materials and some other stocks that I've been just on my radar. But I have another video of the top 3 stocks coming up on what you should do for 2021. Stay tuned. It's coming to you real soon. But hey, I appreciate y'all. Please subscribe to the channel now. Please subscribe to the channel. And then please hit the like button. You got to hit that like button, man. I'm out here working hard, man. I'm out here sweating, trying to get y'all these videos. So do me a favor. Hit the like button. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. Please subscribe to the channel. A lot more videos are coming. Definitely to bring y'all good content about certain stocks. But my next video is coming with y'all with some good stuff, some real deep stuff. So definitely come hang out with me. I appreciate y'all. This is Larry with Invest and Build Your Credit and Wealth. Here we talk about personal finances, how to build your credit, how to prove your credit rating, how to leverage your credit. So hey, I appreciate y'all for hanging out, and I'll be back.